And this is my dog named Samson, and he can give people hugs. I'll show you. And I still got the same jacket on from the other videos I made, because it's my favorite jacket in the world. Okay, he's laying down now. Well, he was. Okay, watch this. You ready? Come here, boy. Come here. Come on. Come on. Good boy. What's up, home dogs? Yeah, that's my home dog, and that's my other home dog. Right here, my home dog. His name's Samson. Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Okay. Okay, let go. What's up, party peoples? Come here. Pushed him. I pushed him. Yay! I beat him up. Peace out, home dogs. So that's it, yo.